This is page 40. Remember, please use headphones. Alright, let's do some sorting before we do any multiplication. So what do we know so far? We know positive times a positive is a positive. We know bad things happen to bad people, and that's good. We know good things happen to bad people, and that's bad. And we know bad things happen to good people, and that's bad. So let's do some highlighting here. If it's positive, we'll mark it positive. If it's negative, we'll mark it negative. So, let's look at all the negatives first. These signs are different, it's going to be negative. These signs are different, it's going to be negative. These signs are the same, will be positive. These signs are different, negative. Different, negative, 0. Same, positive, different, negative, different, negative, same, positive, 0, different, negative. Now let's put in the positives. So, positive, 0, positive, positive, 0, and 0. So we know that same signs, positive, and we know different signs, negative. Okay, same signs, positive, different signs, negative. Oops. Different signs, oh, come on. Different signs, negative. Now all we need to do is multiply. 1 times 9 is 9, but it's negative 9. 14 times negative 2 is negative 28. 9 times 6 is 54. 2 times 50 is 100, but it's negative 100. 4 times 15 is 60, but it's negative 60. Anything times 0 is 0. 7 times 7 is 49. 15 times 9. Okay, so look down over here. Right here. 15 times 9, you could do it like this. And get 5, 4, 9, 135. Or you could do it this way. 15 is the same as 10 plus 5 times 9. So do that multiplication, you get 90 plus 45, and that equals 135. And that's negative 135. 8 times 12. So do 8 times 10 plus 8 times 2, because 12 is the same as 10 plus 2. So this will be 80 plus 16 will give you 96. But make it negative 96. Positive 300. 0. Ooh, 6 times 32. Let's clear out this space a little bit. 6 times 32. You could do this, 32 times 6, and you get to 118, 192. Or you could do this, 30 plus 2 times 6. And then you multiply that, and you get 6 times 3 is 18, put a 0. 6 times 2 is 12. Plus that equals 192. But it's negative 192. Alright, let's check these first. Negative 9, negative 28, 54. Negative 9, negative 28, 54. Negative 100, negative 60, 0. Negative 100, negative 60, 0. 49, negative 135, negative 96. 49, negative 135, negative 96. 300, 0, negative 192. 0, negative 192. Great. Withdrawals are negative. Withdrawals are negative. She made 7 withdrawals of 75 from her bank account. What was the overall change in her account? So, all you need to do is 75 times 7. That's 35, 5, 3. 49 plus 3 is 52. Or you could do it like this. 70 plus 5 times 7. 7 times 70 and 7 times 5. 7 times 7 is 49. Put a 0 with it. 7 times 5 is 35. Does that equal that? Yes, it does. But remember, it's negative. Negative 525. Let's check that. Negative 525. Oh, we forgot the money. Make it negative 525. Uh-oh, a team lost yards. That's bad. Lost yards. Lost 5 on 3 different plays. Explain how you could use a number line to find the change in the team's field position. Okay, so a number line means you're going to the left because you lost yards. So here's 0. You lost 5, so you're going 5, 10, 15. Here's negative 5, negative 10, and negative 15. So go 5, 10, 15. And then lost 15 yards. Hopefully, that wasn't the Houston football team. Let's check that. Number 14. Lost 15 yards. Temperature dropped. Dropped is negative. Drops 2 every 6 hours. What was the total number of degrees the temperature changed in the 6 hours? So do negative 2 times 6 equals negative 12 degrees. Let's check. Negative 12 degrees. Oh, I forgot the Fahrenheit. The price of 1 share of Acme declined. Decline is negative. Oh man, lots of negative today. Declined $5 per day for 4 days in a row. How much did the price of 1 share change in total after the 4 days? So negative 5 times 4 equals negative 20. But remember, it's money, so let's put that in there. Lost or dropped $20. And check that math. Looks good. A mountain climber climbed down. Down is negative. Down a cliff 50 feet at a time. He did this 5 times. In one day, what was the overall change in his elevation? Well, negative 50 times 5 equals 5 times 5 is 25, and then put in the 0. So negative 250 feet. Explain the process for finding the product of two integers. Well, that's easy. Good things happen to good people, and that's good. Bad things happen to bad people, and that's good. Good things happen to bad people, and that's bad. Bad things happen to good people, and that's bad. Now we write it. When the two integers have the same signs, the product will be positive. When the integers have different signs, the product will be negative. That's page 40.